Hey medical students! Today, let's talk about Karva Chauth, a traditional fasting practice, and how it can impact the youth, particularly in terms of health and potential risks. Karva Chauth is a Hindu festival where married women fast from sunrise until they sight the moon, praying for their husband's well-being. But it's important to understand the physiological effects of such fasting on the body. For young women, particularly those new to the practice or with underlying health conditions, the abrupt shift in eating patterns can pose challenges. Prolonged fasting without water can lead to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and even hypoglycemia, especially if someone already has conditions like diabetes or a history of fainting spells. For those with eating disorders or a history of disordered eating, such practices can be risky. The psychological pressure around fasting can lead to anxiety or obsessive behaviors around food, potentially triggering relapses in those with a history of anorexia or bulimia. Additionally, fasting during Karva Chauth often involves breaking the fast with high-calorie meals that are rich in sugars and fats. This can cause a sudden spike in blood glucose levels, which can be harmful, particularly for people at risk of prediabetes or metabolic syndrome. Another important consideration is hydration. Abstaining from both food and water throughout the day can strain the kidneys, especially in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. It can also affect those with a history of urinary tract infections, as lack of water intake can increase the risk of infections. For medical students, understanding the cultural context and providing balanced advice is crucial. It's important to counsel patients on how they can safely participate in cultural practices while being mindful of their health, like encouraging light meals at suhoor before sunrise or hydration before and after the fast. So, whether it's Karva Chauth or other cultural fasts, the focus should be on balance and personalized advice to ensure health while respecting traditions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more culturally informed medical insights.